From the moment I stepped into the Acanthus Cennet Barut Collection, I knew this was going to be one of those unforgettable stays. Nestled right along the golden sands of Side, Turkey, this luxury resort strikes the perfect balance between elegance, comfort, and that laid-back Mediterranean charm that just makes you want to stay forever. Let's start with the check-in experience. It was seamless. I was welcomed with a refreshing drink and warm smiles, and within minutes, I was in my suite, which honestly felt like a scene out of a design magazine. Floor-to-ceiling windows flooded the room with natural light, and the view, pure magic. Turquoise waters stretching endlessly into the horizon. My balcony became my morning coffee spot and my evening wine corner. The rooms at Acanthus Cennet aren't just pretty, they're thoughtfully designed. Every detail, from the plush bedding to the minimalist decor, felt intentional. There's this calmness in the air, as if the place itself whispers, "Relax, you've made it." Now let's talk food. If you think all-inclusive means average buffets, think again. The dining here is seriously next level. There's a main restaurant with daily themed nights that take you on a world tour. One night I was feasting on sushi. The next I was devouring Turkish meze. But the a la carte restaurants are where the magic really happens. The gourmet flavors, the presentation, the wine pairings, it all felt like fine dining, yet in a relaxed, beachy setting. I even had a candlelit dinner by the sea. Yes, I went full romance mode, solo. And I loved every second of it. The beach, spotless. Sunbeds are comfy. Towels are always fresh, and there's bar service so you can sip your cocktail without moving a muscle. And if you're more of a poolside lounger, don't worry. The infinity pool is calling your name. What really made Acanthus Cennet stand out, though, was the vibe. It's peaceful, but never boring. Every corner has its own personality, whether it's the serene spa, the elegant library lounge, or the modern gym. And the staff, let me just say, they don't just serve you, they genuinely care that you're having a great time. Whether you're here for a romantic getaway, a solo retreat, or just craving a luxurious beach break that doesn't feel pretentious, this place delivers. I came here expecting to relax. I left feeling renewed. Would I come back? In a heartbeat? And next time, I'm bringing friends, because this slice of paradise is too good not to share.